What it do, guys? It's your boy BLESSKICKZ. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here for the first time, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to share my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another dunk. If you guys did not watch my video from last time, go back and watch my video on what the ducks, and then come back and watch this one. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys another pair that I hit on some website. I'll explain to you guys, alright? To start with, we have the regular box. You guys already know your boy's 9.5. Let's open this up and see what we got in here. Alright, there you guys have it. The Verdy Nike SB Visty. Last time he did the collab, he did it in 2019. Girls Don't Cry, the red pair. And now he did this pair based on his character, Visty. He has another character, which is, I think his name is Wick, which is like a black panda rabbit looking character, and he did like a friends and family pair for only friends and family. Just imagine a black panda dunks, well, fur on it. It was a nice pair, beautiful pair, but it was only for friends and family. If you go to websites, like if you go to Gold or StockX, you can see that pair on sale going for like about $10,000. If I'm his friend or family, I would never sell that pair. Anyways, here you guys have it, this funky looking pair with this monster character based on his character that he came up with. If you guys don't know who Verdy is an artist from Japan. He had worked with Nike, Levi's, him made Kenzo, and Undercover. Anyways, this pair does look like what you guys this pair looks like to you guys. It's a copy of another pair. You guys remember the Ungrateful Dead bears? Yes, those 3 bears that came out. Yep, this pair is similar to that pair. I'm telling you guys. Anyways, let's get into the details. With this, you guys see in the front, we have the fur in the front. Beautiful fur all around, like greenish. Got the pink fur going from the back all the way up. And we got the Verdy character right in the back right over here. It's based on this character. He's skateboarding. And then we got the Nike SB written right in the front. Even inside, we have is Visty just skateboarding. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You have, it comes with a keychain, this beautiful keychain. Got Nike written right in the back. It already comes with yellow laces, and it comes with 2 more laces, frozen blues, and then the greenish color. Bottoms all green, Nike written right in the bottom right over here. And then we got the fur going all around the tongue, which is really nice. This is a pair which honestly I cannot see myself rocking outside because it's kind of very bright and dirty. Overall, I'm a collector, so I would just love to have it in my collection, to be honest. Now, if you think about it, and we could compare this pair with this pair over here. I'm grateful that's the yellow pair. Now, let's get them closer, okay? Got the fur, as you guys can see, with the other fur on front. Got the fur going on the sides, on both sides. The only difference between this pair and Visty pair is that the tongue, right? The tongue over here doesn't got any of this fur, and this got the fur all around. And the other differences, this comes with a zip, and this does not have any pocket or anything like that. But honestly speaking, this pair and this pair is like very similar. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. I don't see, I mean, mine as well. You should have just named this one Ungrateful Dead, the blue ones or pink ones. And yeah, I wish they came up with the pink laces as well, since we have a lot of pink going on all around. You got the midsoles over here, all yellow. Very nice, beautifully done. Just love how the older material is. Like, he used like such a cool material on this. Like, look at this, very nice. Okay, there we have it, the Verdys. Let me know what you guys think about this pair. If you guys is something you guys will, you know, rock, or you know, just have it in your collection, let me know, comments below. And then of course, let's put this on the side. Okay, enough of dunks. This was the year of the dunks, I guess. Another pair that I picked up, of course, your boy will not leave this behind. What comes with, got these Black Cement 3. I got a pair in 2019. I picked that pair up. This is the pair from 2024, which came out like a few weeks ago. I got myself one pair. I mean, it's a classic, guys. You must have it in your collection. Honestly speaking, I got one for me, and I got one pair for my daughter. Pretty cool, pretty nice, matching, you know. There you guys have it with this review. Let me know in comments below what you guys think about this pair over here. I'll see you guys next time with another banger. Peace out.